Hello, today's topic will include drafting views, the filled region, and legends. Firstly, the drafting views. The drafting view is a 2D view. We can insert CAD file by linking or importing CAD. Then we trace over that CAD detail or CAD drawing. Basically, 2D drafting view is meant for developing detailings. To create a drafting view, we hit View tab, Drafting View. I would name Example Detail 1. The scale I would choose to be 1:20 and OK. I can go to my Insert tab and link CAD. I'm going to link the CAD that I'm going to trace over it, so I can develop my detailing properly in my Revit project. So this is my CAD file that I'm going to trace over it, and open. This is the linked CAD file. I can trace over that portion, for example, so I can develop my detailing. To do so, I would hit Annotate tab, Detail line. For example, I would choose wide lines. I can add some dimensions. After finishing and developing everything, I can easily delete and remove the linked CAD file and proceed developing my details. I have created that sheet A108, that one, and I am going to insert the detailing that I have done, or the drafting view that I have created, into that sheet. Project browser, I can find that drafting view. This is the one. Under drafting views, press and drag and add. So if I need to develop more, I can go back to my drafting view, example 1, detail 1, and add more development to my detailings. Moving to the filled region, hit Annotate tab, Region, Filled region. Filled region is equivalent to the hatch in the AutoCAD. Now I need to create the boundary of that filled region or hatch. Escape and go Edit Type, always duplicate. OK. Now for the fill pattern, I would choose that type of hatch or filled pattern, and OK. OK. Finish edit mode. To edit the fill pattern, we hit Manage tab, Additional settings, Fill patterns. For example, that diagonal crosshatch that I have used, I'm going to duplicate, then I will edit. OK. This is my created fill pattern or hatch. Edit. Change its spacing to 6 millimeter instead of almost 3. OK. I will select my original filled region and filter. Check none. I will only keep detail item. Apply. OK. Edit type. And this is also my own filled region type, so I can edit confidently. I'm going to use the one I have duplicated, which is that one, diagonal crosshatch 2. OK. Apply. OK. Now adding insulation. Annotate tab, Insulation. If I want to change that depth or that width from the option bar, I can set the value to be, for example, 0.2. If I change the scale of that detail to be 1:110, So this is my detailing. Finally, moving to the legend component or the legends. The legend component is a clear way of showing what a particular element represents. So hit View tab and Legends, Legend Wall Types. The scale I would choose 1:50 and OK. A blank sheet is opened. Then I hit Annotate tab, Component, Legend Component. From the option bar, I am going to choose the walls that I need to create legends for. I would choose that wall, another wall type, and a third and a final one. I'm going to copy the walls. That wall is in floor plan view, but I would choose that wall to be in the section view. From Annotate, I can add some text, wall type 1, and copy also. I can change its height and change the font. From Edit Type, duplicate, and change everything about the text. Copy. From the level of the detail, I need the fine level. I have created a very simple schedule or frame. If I want to change the height of that wall in section, I can change it from here. Maybe 2 meters. Another example, I'm going to create a legend for doors. Hit View tab, Legend Doors. Also same scale. Another blank sheet is created. Annotate, Component, Legend Component. As we can see, we can create for walls as we did, windows, plantings, furnitures, floors, ducts, columns, ceilings, almost everything. So for doors, I would choose that one and that singular one and that one. Also, I'm going to copy them so I can change their views. I will change the front elevation. I can also choose the back elevation. I would add some dimensions. And if needed, some text. Door type 1. If I go to any sheet that I have created from the project browser, I would choose, for example, that sheet. I can insert the legends into that sheet. Legends also from here, from project browser. So, for example, legend doors. I can change the scale. Make it 1:100 and apply.